Today is day one of my gardening endeavors. I'm going to meet my friend at Shoal Creek Nursery. I'm hoping for rosemary, a lemon tree, a lime tree, and lavender bushes. We're pretty late in the season, so I'm not sure if we're gonna be able to find all of them, but let's see. Here's the rosemary. I mean, you can make like rosemary focaccia.
Yeah, that's true.
I don't think I can explain how hot it is right now. It is absolutely miserable. The first nursery did not have lemon trees, and they also did not have lavender bushes. So we're going to Lowe's, and hopefully we'll have better luck there. Okay, I'm so excited because we just came to the Great Outdoors and they have lavender. Woo! Hi all. We have my little improved Meyer lemon, a Persian lime who's quite a big boy, a rosemary plant in a very cute pot, 2 shishito pepper plants, some bamboo sticks, citrus food, organic fertilizer, gardening gloves, copper herb labels, another very cute pot, 2 bags of rose potting soil for the lemon and the lime tree because apparently they like acidic soil that I physically can't carry, so they're just gonna stay in there until Brandon comes. And then 2 of these massive and very heavy planters. And if you're thinking, Catherine, don't you have more planters than plants? The answer is yes, but I wanted to have 2 planters that look the same for the trees, so I got them both.